Whale sports fans, we are waiting for just a gourmet meal tonight. We got some beautiful little flounder going on here. Look at that. Look at that, cooking up like a storm. It'll be so good. Fresh flounder, little butter and olive oil, lemon pepper. Daly caught us dinner because things were tough, you know. Anyway, we're having a great day out here. Doing a little sightseeing. A little whale watching, a little birding. Adventure day, we'll call it. Go to the waterfalls, our secret waterfalls. We don't tell anybody where it was. Anyway, we'll see how this lunch goes in just a minute. Signing off. See you on another adventure soon. Yep, Charlie signing on.